In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp web not loading on Chrome. If the page is stuck on a spinner, blank, or keeps asking you to connect, follow along and we'll get you back to your chats quickly. We'll start with simple checks. First, refresh the page. Sometimes a fresh reload is all it takes. If that doesn't help, sign out of WhatsApp web and reconnect. On your computer, open web.whatsapp.com, and on your phone, open WhatsApp. Go to Linked Devices and scan the QR code on your screen. This refreshes the connection and often resolves temporary glitches. Next, confirm both your computer and your phone have a reliable internet connection. WhatsApp web mirrors your phone, so if your phone drops off the internet, the web app can't load. Try toggling Wi-Fi or mobile data off and back on, switch networks, or move closer to your router. Keep WhatsApp running in the background on your phone while you test. Make sure the WhatsApp app on your phone is up to date. An outdated app can break the link between your phone and the web session, so visit your app store, check for updates, and relaunch WhatsApp. If it still won't load, let's try browser-specific fixes. Open an incognito window in Chrome with Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or Command+Shift+N on a Mac. Then visit web.whatsapp.com. Incognito disables most extensions and uses a fresh storage area, which helps isolate whether add-ons or cached data are the problem. If incognito works, your cache or extensions may be to blame. Clear your cache and cookies by opening Chrome's menu, choosing More Tools, then clear browsing data. Or press Ctrl+Shift+Delete on Windows or Command+Shift+Delete on a Mac. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Set the time range to all time if the issue persists, then clear data. Be aware this will sign you out of most sites. Extensions can also interfere, especially ones that modify web pages or force dark mode. Temporarily disable them from Chrome / extensions by toggling them off, then reload WhatsApp web. Re-enable them one by one to find the culprit. As a last resort, reset Chrome settings to their defaults. Go to Settings, Reset Settings, and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This keeps your bookmarks and saved passwords, but returns Chrome to a clean state. Test WhatsApp web again, and you should be good to go.